Welcome to our portable dishwashers showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between two popular models, the AooDen portable dishwasher and the Farberware portable countertop dishwasher. Both of these compact appliances are designed for convenience and efficiency, making them perfect for small kitchens, RVs, or apartments. Let's explore their features and see which one comes out on top. Let's start with the price. The AooDen portable dishwasher is priced at $339 United States dollars, while the Farberware model comes in at a slightly lower price of $309 United States dollars. If budget is a key concern for you, the Farberware might be the more appealing option. However, it's essential to consider what features you value most in a dishwasher. Next, let's look at the weight of these dishwashers. The AooDen weighs 14 kilograms, making it a lightweight option for portability. In contrast, the Farberware is heavier at 19.8 kilograms. If you plan to move your dishwasher frequently, the lighter AooDen may be more convenient. Finally, let's compare the wash cycles. Both dishwashers offer 5 wash cycles, but the Farberware includes specialized options for baby care and delicate glassware, while the AooDen focuses on intensity and time settings. If you need versatility in your wash cycles, the Farberware may be the better choice. In conclusion, both the AooDen and Farberware portable dishwashers offer unique advantages. The AooDen is budget-friendly and lightweight, while the Farberware provides specialized wash cycles and a slightly larger capacity. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.